Reviving our planet. The journey of habitat restoration. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting and crucial topic: habitat restoration. This is not just about bringing back a piece of land to its former glory. It's about reviving ecosystems, supporting biodiversity, and ensuring our planet remains livable for all its inhabitants. So, let's explore what habitat restoration really means and why it's so important for our world. Habitat restoration involves activities aimed at returning a natural environment back to its original condition before it was disturbed or damaged. This can include planting native plants, removing invasive species, and reintroducing species that were once native to the area. The goal is to rebuild healthy ecosystems that can sustain themselves over time. There are several key reasons why habitat restoration is critical. Biodiversity conservation. Restoring habitats helps protect and increase the diversity of life in an area, ensuring that all species, from plants to animals, can thrive. Climate change mitigation. Healthy ecosystems like forests and wetlands can store large amounts of carbon, helping to combat climate change. Water quality improvement. Restored habitats can filter pollutants from water, improving its quality for drinking, agriculture, and wildlife. Economic benefits. Many restoration projects create jobs and can boost local economies through activities like ecotourism and sustainable fishing. Let's highlight a few success stories. Wetlands restoration. Projects around the world have successfully revived wetlands that filter water, support diverse species, and protect against flooding. Forest regeneration. Efforts to replant trees and manage forests sustainably have brought back lush green areas that were once degraded. River and stream rehabilitation. Removing barriers like dams and replanting vegetation along riverbanks has revitalized waterways, benefiting both wildlife and communities. Habitat restoration is a beacon of hope in our fight against environmental degradation. It shows that with effort, science, and community involvement, we can repair the damage done to our planet and secure a healthier future for all its inhabitants. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video inspires you to learn more about how you can contribute to restoring the world's precious habitats. See you in the next video.